Good afternoon, everyone. It's Chief O'Brien again from your fire department. Just giving you the weekly update on the coronavirus pandemic. As stated last week, our Londonderry's numbers continue to fluctuate. This week we've gone up and down a couple of times, but we still have confirmed cases of COVID-19 in the town of Londonderry. There was a question that came up to me last week. Somebody emailed me and wanted to know, with what I said in reference to I'm seeing clusters throughout town, whether it was airborne. That being said, obviously I'm not a scientist, but when I see one house that has it and then the house across the street has it and the house next to them has it, what that's telling me is people are not practicing the social distancing that the governor has lined out for us. So again, I recommend everybody going to the state of New Hampshire's website, looking at the governor's stay-at-home orders, and make yourself familiar with those in reference to essential businesses and only having to go out when you need to go out. As stated last week, I do recommend, and you're seeing a lot more people doing this now, is people wearing, some sort of either whether it's a homemade mask or a surgical mask when you go out in public places. I know over this past weekend, I went to a couple of facilities that, if people are not wearing masks now is when you're getting the dirty looks. So I would recommend anytime you're going out to a public place, wear a mask. I don't think the governor is going to lift the order on May 4th for this stay-at-home advisement. I think you're going to see that prolonged for a longer period of time. And just understand that, just 40 miles to our south, we have 46,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19. So again, inviting people over to your house from out of state or getting together with family members from out of state, not recommended at this time. The town continues to operate on kind of a virtual mode, so the town hall, you can go to the town hall's website for any of the services that are needed over there. The fire department is continuing to do well. Our call volume stays steady. We're in a really good shape right now for personal protective equipment, and hopefully we'll continue that going forward. As everybody's seen over the last few days, New Hampshire's numbers are steadily increasing, but again, if you look at the charts that are provided on the different websites, you look at the state of New Hampshire versus every other New England state around us, and we're doing very well. And I think we're doing well because we're New Hampshireites, and we try and do things the right way. So again, all I ask is people to look at the governor's stay-at-home advisory, practice your social distancing, get outside when the weather is good, and just be safe, okay? I'll see you next week. Thank you.